Hello. I have a haul from, what was this place? TJ Maxx and Goodwill. But I want to show this first. I got this super cute bat because it looks like my buddy Victor here. If he put his ears up. You put your ears up, bud. Well, when he puts his ears up. It looks just like him. Don't you think? See? So, they had some of their Halloween stuff out. So I got this cutie pie. I think this is really, really cute. It's just like my buddy. And this was what, 14? Yeah, $14.99. So they're slowly putting more stuff out. Look, he's got nice big eyes, just like Victor. Yeah, right, buddy? Right, buddy? Yeah. So that was an awesome find. So put him back over here. And then at the Goodwill, I got this picture that Mr. Retros is going to use at the beach to, oh, now he wants to look at this. He doesn't want to look at his bat friend.
No.
No. Yeah, all over the place. We can use this at the beach to put water in the fridge because you just want to filter the water. It's on a well. It's really nice water, but it could be better. Yeah. So these are pretty good. So this was $5. I got one at Thrift City, but it had a leak in it. So I figured get one that's in a little better shape.
It needs a filter.
Yeah, we got filters. When I will give you one. And then they had one of these. I love these. This was $3.99, and it's a soap thing. I have one here at the house, but I want one for down at the beach. You just put your dish soap in there, and you put it right on the edge. You can just squirt it right in there. It's swell. So $3.99 on this thing. And what else did I get? These are nice heavy bags. In case you ever have to throw up, use one of these bags. They're awesome.
Grab a Goodwill bag.
Yeah, you never know. What else did I get? I don't remember. What is this? Once it goes in the, is he all fidgety? Once this goes in the bag, I don't remember what it is. Oh, this is it. Look at all these precious
moments.
Yeah, the precious moments, but they're well, they call them something when we rehab them. Precious. I can't remember now. It's a thing where people take these beautiful items. You know, they had one that was just a single, and they wanted $13 for it. This is a double, and it was $4.99. So people take these and they redo them and rehab them into more interesting things. So I'm thinking I'm going to have this be Mr. and Mrs. Frankenstein. I need to get some air dry clay, you know, and build their heads up. His, you know how he goes. And you know how hers goes. Ooh, like that. And look at, he's got a little ring. See?
Yeah.
And then I'll paint, do you mind? Paint these flowers black.
It doesn't.
Yeah. I think it'll be really swell. And this is from, what date is this? 1996.
Jeez. Nice.
So, you know, I had given up hope. I had kind of forgotten about looking for them. I just happened to be in the tchotchke aisle. And I said, well, maybe I will take a look. And then they were way in the back. So, this is a nice one. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he likes it. Okay. So this,
That's pretty good for precious moments.
It is pretty good, actually. Look, it's got a little sofa and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So that will be a project that I can work on. See?
Oh, she's crying too. See that? She's overwhelmed with joy.
Yeah. Or maybe he's just a creep and she wants to get away from him. Please, please, come and get your TV and your barbecue and leave me alone.
Yeah, get your stuff out of my house.
Get your stuff out of my house. Go away. That's another story. And he's got a little patch on him. So, this will be a project. I need air dry clay, though. And since they closed the Hobby Lobby, I don't know where I'm going to get it. Maybe I can order it. I don't think they have it at the dollar store. You can't count on dollar store for nothing. Maybe that stupid Joann's. They're usually a hideous disappointment at Joann's. So, and then I found this beauty. Do you mind? Your tail is in the way, sir.
Yeah.
This is a Joanna Parker. It needs a little touch up on this antler hair, but oh, he's so cute. Look at his little face.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's cute. And this was originally from TJ Maxx for $10. It's got the sticker on it. It's Joanna Parker.
Is it a candy thing?
Yeah. Or you could put cotton balls in there.
Right. Or
Cotton
grease
balls.
or hair.
You could put grease and hair in there, you know.
Your leftover hair.
$4.99. So and it's got a seal on it. It's very cute. So that's what I got at the Goodwill. It wasn't too bad in there. It's sort of bad, not too bad. Not too bad. I've seen it worse. Let's just say that. So this is very cute. And let's see, TJ Maxx. Wait, I want to show these. My friend Mona from Gems Creations does these shirts. This one is I don't know what they call this. It's a transfer design because this t-shirt's all cotton. I had her do this one for my friend Dawn, and this is my design. Do you mind? Jealous Old Hags, which is what Trolls called us, and it's so lovely. So we've used it for design. And this one is the transfer, and this is that, I don't know if I can pronounce this, sublimation.
Right. Yeah.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Sublimate. She does a fabulous
Method.
job. Sublimation printing, which is really, but you have to do it on a cotton blend, so you can, I can't see, so you can wash it. Pull it out so you can see my beautiful artwork. But Mona does these, but she does all kinds of designs. She does. And she sent me a tote bag too. I don't have that. It's in the other room. She does cups, all kinds of cups, insulated cups, shirts, everything. And whatever you want put on them, she does fabulous. And I will put a link in my description to her Facebook where you can talk to her and order and whatever you want to order. She doesn't put anything icky, but within reason. Like this, or whatever you want. And she has designs too. So give my girl Mona a shout out. She's in Louisiana. Oh, and then I went to TJ Maxx. This is the rest of my TJ Maxx. Gosh, it's hot in here. Ugh. It's muggy here today. I got these. These are really good. We first discovered these. Didn't you get these at the Gates Foundation?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, he does.
First time I saw
One of his customers is the Gates Foundation, and they have excellent snacks for their employees because they want to keep them.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Everything top of the line.
Boy, we didn't even get we were lucky to get coffee when I was working
these
on
coffee
them.
machines. You can select your type of Starbucks coffee.
Oh
you
man,
want.
see, yeah.
You can select iced coffee. You just put ice under there and then hit iced coffee. It's really cool. I wish I had one of those machines.
That'd be neat. Can't you just take that machine and say, I need to take this machine in for repairs, as the inspector said.
No, people are around,
Anyway, he first tried these
And
bubbles.
snacks
Bubbles
galore.
there. These are really, really yummy. Yummy, yummy. And I think they're like plant-based, dairy-free, gluten-free, whatnot. Oats. So they sell these on Amazon for, I think this box is 12 something on Amazon, but you can get them for $7.99 at TJ Maxx, and Marshall's sometimes has them, different flavors. So that was cool to find those. They don't always have them, you just gotta search. And then I got a couple candles. They had some things on markdown, which is kind of amazing. It wasn't too bad at TJ Maxx either, not really. Yeah, not too bad. There's a couple cute puppies in there selecting a bed. They were fun. This one is really bright pink. It's called Love, Peony, and Passion Fruit. And it's a single wicker. Oh, it smells nice. It's a nice floral, and this was only $3. So they jacking up the prices on the candles in
I
places,
know.
which is kind of weird. Is this a plant-based one? Let me see.
$8 to $10 for just about
DW
anything.
Home. Made in USA. Does it say made in USA, hand poured in Vietnam?
Wow.
Wow. Okay. This is a nice heavy bag too, in case you feel sick.
Yeah, all right.
Take it along with you. That's a word of advice. Maybe this is a candle too. Ooh. Yeah, this one. What are you doing under there? This one is a pretty one by Modern Alchemy Bougie Perfume and Firefly scented candle. And this one was $6 marked down. Double wicker. Ooh, this one smells really
Yeah.
good. It's almost got kind of a citrus scent to it.
Yeah, that's what they said on there.
Yeah. Very nice.
Firefly, what is it? They had it on there.
What's that?
Huh.
That
It
was
was
on the
supposed to
bottom.
be
What's it say on there on the front?
this Firefly Modern
Hmm.
Alchemy,
Okay.
but it's a blend of citrus and something else.
Yep.
Huh, I thought I saw it on there. Oh, maybe
Okay.
it's here. Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
All right. We
Never
made it
mind.
up. We
We'll-
made it up. Okay.
Yeah.
You got anything else, Mr. Retros?
Well, I can't find what this is.
It's some kind of stuff.
Poured in Vietnam, though.
What's the deal with the
whatever
Viet?
that means.
Why are they
I don't
pouring
know.
all the candles in Vietnam?
I don't know. Okay. Well,
I don't
anyway,
know.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
They're trying to give them some work over there, I guess. I don't know, but this is very pretty. You know, they're doing a lot of cups this color this year for Halloween. This hot pink with the, would they have skulls or ghosts or something on it? They were kind of cute, but I don't need any more cups. Unless I find Joanna Parker. Good ones. So that's what I've got. So I will see you later. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Goodbye, Mr. Retro.
Nah.